Welcome, welcome. Yeah, just come to touch a little bit on a topic while go on. So, I just want to talk a little bit about loyalty and manipulation. Yeah. So, basically, me I link it to what's going on at the moment on the media social. Yeah. So, what me saying now, when me look upon the whole thing, me thinking nobody and not nobody, but a lot of people and people on social media are not loyal. Yeah. They're not loyal to people here. Everybody and it for them own gain here. So me see it. So no. Why me I go say about the loyalty bit now? Why I feel I need to say a little bit about loyalty so is me like Chris and me like Michelle. Yeah, so and me said before me not the panel team, so me talk how me see. Yeah, me not talk how everybody talk. Me not me sit down and listen. Yeah, me a good listener. That's what I've been told by a lot of people. Me a good listener. Me listen to what people have to say. So no, me listen to bits of what's going on and what me a little bit what me pick from this now. Yes, me unpick it a little bit and me talk to myself. Michelle, from what me gather, is a friend of Chris. So, how me feel, and the second time me see Michelle come out and address Chris on our platform. Yes. So, how I feel, say Michelle could have pick up the phone and call Chris and say to him, Chris, what me see I do, me not feel say you're using, you're doing what you're doing is not correct or whatever. She could have try and approach it that way. Yeah. As so me see, because as a friend, me that I would like you to come and talk to me behind closed door, not in public here, because when you come and address me in public, no, I feel that you're trying to embarrass me in one sense. And I thought, me look upon it, say, as a friend, I'd expect you to address me behind closed doors, yes. And fair enough, if me no want to listen, then you could have probably come out on the public stage and address me that way. Then you can say, well, you know, listen, so me I go take to my platform and me I go talk about it. Fair enough, yes. So, that's why I say the word loyalty, we need to be a little bit more loyal and a bit more sensitive. Yeah, sensitivity comes into it too, because sometimes we're not thinking about people's emotion and how them are gonna feel when you come out like that upon them. And I know you no more attack up things against that individual. Everybody running with it the same way here, and it come in then like it's a personal attack on an individual. Yes, because I find that people sometimes you might not come up with it like that. You're probably doing it in a genuine and an honest way, but another person them running with it in a negative way. Yeah. So that's when you use your public platform, people has them say them always, everybody see it differently and them do start for talk you one way or way. I know, so you didn't mean it. So that's why I'm saying you probably should have address it behind closed door. So no, the other bit now me feel say somebody set a rat trap. Yes, so yes, and Chris fall in the trap because what a lot of people do and the media, they're very good at trying to bring people down. Yes, they do this a lot. Yes, and if them see, yeah, do well on social media. Yes, them try and bring you down, and that's why sometimes it's not good to be a business person on media social. If you have your business, make nobody know what you have. You keep that to yourself because some of these people are jealous and bad mind. Yes, so anybody then say I do well, them are gonna try and bring you down, and it look like say these people know then care news we tell this and say that and whatever and care this and care that and then carry go bring come here manipulators here and then like for manipulate and some of the people using platform for manipulate to help bring people down. And I saw, let me see, I saw me I watch the movement for a while now that people are using, some of them are using platform, yes, with misinformation and all kind of something to bring people down. Yes, and you have to be smart with it. And when in a way I see it as if there's arguments going on to say somebody do this and do that and you got voice notes or you have something, you're gonna come out with it. Everybody have feelings and them are gonna come out with things and them are gonna show say yes, them are gonna back up for them argument too, because everybody wants to back up their own argument. But I just find social media there's no loyalty there. Yes, no friends very few genuine people on the media social. Everybody, most people bad mind are people on the media social. Yes, a lot of them bad mind. And as soon as then see people are thrive at that, then jump on the bandwagon and then start to say X, Y, and Z and so forth. So at that, me just come to say that me feel say Ladana, you could have, Michelle, you could have did angle the matter a little bit better if you and Chris, talk behind the scene, or you could have did reach out to him, that way and talk to him, and then maybe if him no one listen, then you could say, well, I go take to my platform with it, and that me have to say, I me don't talk, me gone.